Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with the new concept, conversion of units. Yes, we have discussed about the metric system of units in the previous refreshing class sessions, right? So, if you recall that video once, you will get a clear idea about this conversion of units. Okay, so usually the conversion which we will be using is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or we'll write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes, so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So this is how this is what the units which we will be usually discussing it about. Okay, but when it comes to like area, okay, when you are discussing about the area, obviously our units will become like centimeter square or meter square or kilometer square. Not usually a kilometer square. It will be like square units, correct? So usually we will be discussing about this meters and centimeter, which means we will be discussing about the distance for area. Distance is always measured by meter, centimeter, like that, right? Kilometer, like that. So that unit will be referred by using the squares. Okay, square units. So area will be measured in square units. So now when it comes to the square units, what will be the changes we should make it? That's what we are going to discuss now. Okay, you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, right? Correct? So we have to convert this centimeter to centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square is nothing but 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Correct? 1 into 1, 1. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So always 1 centimeter square can be written as 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, right? So you know 1 centimeter is how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. Into 1 centimeter is how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. So 10 into 10, 100 millimeter square, because millimeter into millimeter, millimeter squares. Therefore 1 centimeter square is nothing but 100 millimeter square. So listen, when 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter square, it is 100 millimeter square. It is entirely different. Okay, likewise you should solve it. Okay, so you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we should find what is the answer of 1 meter square is equal to dash centimeter square. So 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter, correct? So how we will convert this meter to centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 into 100, 4 zeros you will put. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Our 1 meter square is nothing but 10,000 centimeter square. See, can you feel the drastic change here? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but here 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So this is what the conversion of unit. For one unit to another unit, we have to convert like this. Okay, understood, children? Next is your applications. Okay, till now we have used the formulas and we have derived the things. Derive the values whatever we want, but here it comes to the application. Application means what? General life situations where and all you will be using this concept. That is what we are going to discuss it. A rectangular park is 45 meter long. This is a park. Okay, the inside is this is your park. Okay, the rectangle that is in the shape of rectangle. What is the length of that park? 45. From this to this, 45 meter. So this is also 45 meter, because the rectangle opposite sides are equal. If this is 45 meter, this is also 45 meter. Next, 30 meter. So 30 meter. wide. Wide means what? Breadth here. So this is 30 meter means this is also 30 meter. You know the length and breadth of the rectangular park. Okay. Next, a path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. So this is the wide park. This is for walking purposes. There is one path is constructed outside the park. One path is that. Path means what? The way to walk something. Okay. There is one path outside the park. Okay. That is what wide, children. It is 2.5 millimeter wide. So this is 2.5 means here also 2.5, here also 2.5, here also everything it is in the 2.5 distance only. Okay. So now we should find the area of the path. Area of this walking area, you should find it. How you will find, children? How you will find this area of this path? First you should find the area of this full triangle. Then this full rectangle. You should find the area of this full rectangle. Then you should find the area of this rectangle. If you subtract both, you will get the area of the path. Okay. So we can, shall we start doing it? Using this length and breadth, can we find this area of the rectangular path? Yes. Length of the rectangular park is equal to 45 meter. Breadth of that is 30 meter. Yes. Length, breadth. So area of rectangular park is equal to L into B. What is L? 45 into 30. Yes. 45 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. 13. 1350 meter square is the area of this rectangular park. Okay. Now we should find the area of this full rectangle. So if you want to find the area, you should want the length and breadth. This one we want and this one you want. You already know from this to this it is 30. Right. This is 30 means this is also 30. Correct? So here if you add this 2.5 and 2.5, because see from this to this 2.5 means this is also 2.5. Correct? Listen, children. This is 30. So this is also 30. So here this is 2.5. So this is also 2.5. This is 2.5. This is also 2.5. So what is the breadth here? Breadth is nothing but 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Appa breadth is equal to 35. 32.5 plus 32.5, 35. Length likewise. From this to this 40. Appa from this to this it is 45. This to this 45 means this to this 45. Again here 2.5 means here also 2.5. Here also 2.5. Correct? Appa length is what? 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Appa length is 45 plus 5 is 50. Appa breadth 35. Length 45. 45 plus 5 it is 50. Okay. Now we can, you know length and breadth. So can we find the area of large rectangle? Area of large rectangle is L into B. 50 into 35. 50 into 35 you can do, right? Length into breadth. So 50 into 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 17. 1750 meter square. Area of the large rectangle. So okay, if you subtract these two, will you get the area of this path? Yes. Area of path is equal to large rectangle, this large rectangle minus small rectangle. Correct? Large rectangle area is what? 1750 minus small rectangle 1350. So 1750 minus 1350, 004. Okay, 400. So What is the area of the path, children? 400 meters square. So area of this this walking area, this thing is right. Area of this path is 400. So we have to we should be very particular in finding the length and breadth of this. See, from this to this, the same length what we know. This one you will find using this 2.5. Then 2.5, 2.5. So then if you add all this, you will get this full length. Likewise for this breadth. So using this we can find the area. Understood? Next is your example number 21. Okay. A path 5 meter wide runs along the inside a square park of side 100 meter. Okay. Actually, there is one path. Path means this shaded region is the path which is inside the square park. This is one square. Okay. Inside the square park, there is one path. Okay. What is the square? The square side 100 meter. Find the area of the path. We should find the area of the park. Also, find the cost of cementing it at the rate of rupees 250 per meter square. See, we should find this shaded area, as well as we are going to put cement, concrete in this. Okay. So, how much rupees is needed to put that? That we should find it. So, first can we find the, if you want to find this shaded region, you should find the area of this square and area of this square, and if you subtract those two, you will find the shaded region. Correct? Solution. Side of a square park. Actually, this full region is a park. Okay. Fully this is park. In that, this is your walking area, and here it is a playground. You consider it. Okay. Side of a square park is 100 meter. Side of a square park is 100 meter. Next, what is the area of a square park? You know, side means we can find area, right? Area of this full square park, that we are going to find. Side into side. So, 10,000 meter square is the area of this full square park. Now we can find the area of this inside square. Square park is actually ABCD. ABCD is the square park. Area of PQRS. Square. Area of the square PQRS, we should find it. So what all we want? We want the side. How we will find the side, children? See, actually this path length is 5 meter. So this is also 5 meter. This is also 5 meter. This is also 5 meter. Okay. So actually from this to this fully 100. From this to this fully 100. So if you subtract this 5 and this 5, you will get only this, right? So what is the side of that? 100 minus 5 plus 5. Because listen, children, from this to this, from this to this fully it is 100. But I want only this one. Correct? So this is 5 meter means this is also 5 meter. This is 5 meter means this is also 5 meter. So if you subtract this 5 meter and 5 meter, you will get only this. Correct? So that's why 100 minus 5 plus 5. So you will get 100 minus 10 is what? 90 meter. Upper side is how much? 90 meter. Upon square PQRS side is 90 meter, 90 meter, 90 meter, 90 meter. Everything will be 90 meter because side, no, side of a square, right? So formula is side into side, 90 into 90. Okay. So I got this square area, full area I got. Then this square, small square area I got. Now area of path is equal to area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. Correct? ABCD minus PQRS. ABCD is how much? 10,000 minus PQRS is how much? 8,100. So if you subtract these two, 1,900 meter square is the area of the path. Now we found this shaded region, that area we have found. Now we should find the cost for cementing. Okay, so how much it is costing, children? Cost of cementing it at the rate of rupees 250 per meter per 10 meter square. So for 10 meter square, how much rupees it is? 250 rupees. Correct? So how many things is there? 1,900 meter square is there. Appo 250 into 190, because see 190 into 10 it will be 1,900 is nothing but 190 into 10. Appa I am multiplying 190 on both the sides. So how much rupees? 45 into 18, 22, 25, 57400. So how many rupees is needed? 47,500 is needed to cement this 1,900 area. Okay, so 10 meter square for 10 meter square, if you want to cement it, we want 250 rupees. So 1,900 means into 190. Okay, because 10 is already here, so into 190 alone you will multiply on both the sides, so you will get 47,500 as your answer. Understood? This is your example number 22, children. Two crossroads. Okay, there are two crossroads. This is the shaded region is the road. Okay, two crossroad, each of width. Width means what? This, what is that? This is your width. Okay, so this is your 5 meter. So obviously this is also 5 meter. Likewise, this is 5 meter. This is 5 meter. The width of that road is 5 meter. So obviously this is also 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. Okay, everything is 5 meter. With 5 meter, run at right angles through the center of a rectangular park. So it is going in between the rectangular park. This is, it is at right angles. Right angle means what? We can form one right 90 degree here. So it is going at right angle inside the rectangular park at the center. Okay. Then length is 70 meter. Length of this rectangle park is 70 meter. Breadth is 45 meter. We should find the area of this roads. This one, the shaded region, you should find it. Okay. Find the cost of constructing the road at the rate of rupees 105 per meter square. So then we should find the cost of constructing this road. How much cost is needed? That we are going to find it. Okay. So now once again I am going to draw this diagram. This is one rectangular park. This is your road. PQ RS KLMN ABCD EFGH. Okay, so this is your 45 meter, this is your 70 meter, so this is your 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. So we should find this shaded region. Correct? Now okay. Now if you want to find the area, we should find area of this road. We should find the area of this figure. Correct? Like that only you should find, right? So now we are going to find the area of this road. I am considering this PQRS as one rectangle. Okay. Area of rectangle PQRS. If you add this two and if you subtract this one, you will get the area of the road, right? Because see, listen children, when you are considering the first area from this to this, I am covering this region once. Again, if you are doing like this, I am covering this once again. 2 times you are covering. Why do you want to cover 2 times? Only one time it's needed. So, one time you can subtract it. So, first I am going to find the area of this PQRS. What is the length of this figure triangle? Length is what? This is your length, correct? This is equal to this. What is this length? 45. Upper this length is fully 45 meter. Upper length is 45 meter. Breadth is 5 meter. Upper 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 22. Upper PQRS or length is 225 meter square. Next I am going to find this area. Area of rectangle EFGH. Here what is the length? This is your length, correct? This is equal to this one. This is equal to this one. What is length? 70. Upper length is 70 meter. Breadth is 5 meter. 70 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 350 meter square. Now you can add this one and this one. And you subtract this only one time, because when you are considering this area, one time it is considered. When you are considering this area, another one more time it is considered. So you can take one outside. Okay, we can subtract one outside. So you find this KLMN area. Area of square KLMN is equal to, what is side here? 5. 5 into 5. Side into side, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 meter square. Now you add these two and subtract this. So area of the road is equal to PQRS plus EFGH. Correct? PQRS EFGH minus KLMN. Because once if you minus it, it is considered. PQRS area 225 plus EFGH 350 plus minus 25. 225 350 575 minus 25 055. So area is 550 meter square. So area of this road is 550 meter square. Listen children, be careful to subtract this, because if you are not subtracting, then 2 times this area will be included. I want only one time, so I am considering only one time. Next time I am leaving this and I am considering only this value and this value. So in order to reduce this, I am subtracting KLMN. I got the area of the road. Now cost of putting road, okay, right? So for 1 meter square, what is the cost? Rupees 105. But how much meter square we have? 550. About 550 meter square is equal to 105 into 550. Correct? 5 5s are 25, 2, 5. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5. 5, 7, 7, 5, 0. So rupees 57,750 is needed to construct the road. Okay, so we have to construct the road by spending this much amount. Listen children, be careful in separating the length and breadth. So based upon the length and breadth only, we should find the area. So today's class we have discussed about these example problems. I hope you all understood children. Thank you.